You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this municipality in Colorado, United States. So how do you say it? Well, the name itself is from French, Lafayette. And in French, there's no particular emphasis or stress on any particular syllable. So the result is that it's a bit confusing. Some might say it Lafayette, Lafayette, others as Lafayette or Lafayette. You can change the stress on the syllable the way you want to, really, because in French it's Lafayette. So in English, Lafayette or Lafayette, Lafayette. Yep. Lafayette, Colorado. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.